This is a starboosa 2-inch to 1.25-inch adapter mount for telescopes. So I paid $6.71 for this guy. That was a 50% discount off the normal price of about $15. So this guy will go into a 2-inch telescope eyepiece holder and allow you to put a 1.25-inch eyepiece into that. It also has some threading. So it has some internal threads here that are M48, so basically a T-tube. It'll screw onto the end of any T-tube. And it has some M42 threads here, which is for the T2 threads. So this would also be a good way if you have, something that a T-tube would screw into, to just put an eyepiece right on the end of it. Or if you're trying to convert a 2-inch telescope into a T2 tube hook camera or something on, it would be an adapter that would be suitable for that as well, in addition to the holding the eyepiece. So inside there's a little brass ring, and so this screw pushes that brass ring in against your eyepiece. It doesn't actually touch the eyepiece itself. Also, when you're connecting into here, there's a little dip, like this groove goes down and then back up. So if you get a screw into that area, it'll keep things from pulling out. In addition to, if it's tight enough, it won't rotate. So at the even $15 price point, I think this is a well-machined little adapter that'll have a lot of different uses. And I do like the fact that it has that brass ring in there.